Welcome back to the Cruise World. Today we're on board the Disney Treasure, taking a look at inside stateroom 9807. Whether you're already booked or looking for that perfect ship, the Cruise World has you covered with ship and room tours, vlogs, tips, parodies, and a whole lot more. So if you love cruising, make sure you're subscribed with that notification bell turned on. The Disney Treasure is a magnificent cruise ship that combines Disney's signature magic with state-of-the-art amenities, making it an exceptional choice for a vacation at sea. Designed with families and adventure seekers in mind, the ship features immersive storytelling experiences inspired by beloved Disney characters and films. Guests can enjoy world-class entertainment from Broadway-style shows to character meet and greets, as well as diverse dining options, including 3 themed restaurants. The Disney Treasure has many different categories of staterooms and suites, but the most affordable is the inside stateroom, and that's what we're taking a closer look at today. Stateroom 9807 is located on Deck 9 in the center of the ship between the forward and aft elevators. Entering the room, you can see that there's more space than you'll find in similar cabins on other cruise ships. There's a separate seating area and an elevated wooden bed frame for underbed storage of your suitcases and other large items. And now we'll spin around to get a nice look at the entire room. The queen-size bed is comfortable and has a premium plush Eurotop mattress. On the left side of the bed, there's a nightstand, a 220 plug with USB A and C ports, and a reading lamp. On the right side, there is an identical nightstand and lamp, as well as 2 standard 110 outlets and a USB-C port. There's a 43-inch LCD flat-screen TV mounted on the wall, and it does swivel out for easy viewing from the sofa. However, it does not swivel towards the bed. As I mentioned earlier, there's a nice seating area with a table, and across from the couch is the desk and vanity that's both attractive and functional. There's a comfy stool to sit on, and the vanity mirror has lighting around the edges. Another nice feature is that all of the drawers and closets in this stateroom are soft shut. Your hair dryer is here in this drawer, and down below is your refrigerator. There are 2 standard and 1 European outlet here on the desk, as well as your telephone for ordering room service, and 3 storage shelves. Now let's take a look at your storage space. There are lights inside of the closets, and each side has a storage cubby on top, as well as clothes hangers. And on the right side, there are 2 cubbies on the bottom, as well as your safe. There's a full-length mirror on the back of the bathroom door, and the bathroom features a step-in tub shower combo with a glass door. And this is a really nice size shower for a cruise cabin. The toilet area space is a little tight, but there's some storage underneath the sink, as well as 3 shelves beside the mirror. This bathroom also features pump hand soap, shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, as well as premium towels. As with most new cruise staterooms, you need to keep a card in the slot for power to be on in the room, and all of your emergency instructions are located on the back of the room door. If you have 3 guests staying in this room, the convertible couch easily transforms into a sleeper, and for privacy, there's a built-in curtain. We really enjoyed this stateroom. It was spacious, functional, and nicely decorated with themed art from the movie Encanto. And we love the central location, so we're never too far from the action. Thanks for checking out the Disney Treasure Inside Stateroom 9807 with us today. Treasure is a fun ship with some great destinations, and if you have any questions or you're ready to book your next cruise vacation, give us a call at the number on the screen or email thecruiseworldtravel@gmail.com. Be sure to hit that like button, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss out on the latest cruise content. But most of all, remember, life is short and cruising is fun. We'll see you next time.